You know, there's a couple of different ways of filtering a table. You can use what you call a slicer. Go ahead and click in the table and then go to make sure that you are at the design of the table. When you click on the design, you will see Insert Slicer. Click on that. You see, the difference is it takes up a little bit more room than other ways of filtering. Let's do the column. Insert a slicer in the column. Say OK. You see? It took this and it said, OK, now from column 1, I pulled this together and you can use it as a slicer. You see? What it does is it slices the table. So, you know, you can view data from the column that you used or the row, whatever. But now that's how you set up a slicer.